Hey, it's CopperCarver, and today we're checking out the Govee Outdoor Wall Light. Now, I'll admit that this is a Govee light that I'm a little late to the party with. Normally I get sent the products before they're released, that way I can have a video out by the day that it releases. However, this is just kind of one of those products that just snuck by. I always thought it looked cool, but I just personally never reached out to buy it myself. I was going to wait until maybe Govee sent it to me, and sent it to me. They finally did. From what I understand, this is a light that is to be put outdoors. Next to your door, next to your garage. It could be your back door or your front door. I don't know, maybe just your patio or some other place that you have outside. This is rated IPF65, so it is able to handle those extreme temperatures of both heat and cold. And being from Texas, we get a lot of extreme heat and cold. We just had a lot of ice recently. That was super fun. But I'm gonna open this up. We will take a look at what's inside. I'm thinking that I'm going to put it next to my front door. I already have the Govee Outdoor Pathway lights, which I really love. So this will be really nice to have my actual front porch lights pair with that. We'll take a look at the app and how to connect it. And we'll, of course, take a look at the lighting scenes, which are the preset colors. But this is something I'm super excited about. I believe this comes in the 2-pack for $130. And of course, it comes in a 1-pack for cheaper. This does work with Dream View. I want to say it also has the music mode as well. But let's go ahead and just open this up and we'll go from there. All right, let's just go ahead and open this up now. Oh, this has a nice open tab. This should make things so much easier. Here we go. All right, so I recently got some cheap knockoffs of these. It's the same shape and everything. So yeah, let's see these ones. I'm excited to actually see the premium product. Oh man. So it comes with two, like I said, right here. So let's get this out. Oh man. Oh. So there it is right there. I can tell you right now it's heavy. This is plastic, but this is metal. So you can see right there. That feels really nice. It says Govee. Looks nice. I like this. Has the 3 wires, which is the black, white, and I believe this would normally be like the green one right here. So there's the first one, the second one right here. Here we go. Second one, exactly the same. Nice and easy. Looks like it has little slots that will slide down. You know, so there's the second one. Let's see what else is in here. So I'm gonna lift this out, and here we go right here. So here is the little adapter, the plate that we put above, or on, I should say, the hole next to or on wherever you are putting it. So it looks like you put it in through there, and it slides in through here. So 2 of those, and then right here, we have our typical screws and cord covers and things like that. And I'm gonna say that is all that's in here. Yeah, let me let y'all take a closer look real quick. Okay, so I'm now outside, and this is where I'm going to be putting the 2 Govee lights on my front porch. These are the 2 knockoff brands that almost look exactly like the Govee wall lights. I mean, even where the labeling is right here is identical. But I'm going to take these off, and then I'm going to put the other ones on, and we'll go from there. So I got the lights installed, and honestly it was pretty easy, especially because the knockoff ones kind of use the same back panel as these, so it was super easy to put in. Once I turned it on, I then connected to Bluetooth, and I kind of played around with the scenes, and let's just say I'm super excited for nighttime tonight so I can actually see what this looks like. And then I'll probably also group them with my Govee pathway lights, and that way y'all can see a combination of them. So right here I pull up the Govee app, and after I do that, what I do is click the plus symbol at the top right. It looks for new devices. So this is where I'm going to add both of them. I do skip past the part where I connect them to Wi-Fi, so y'all don't see my Wi-Fi password, but I connect them and I name them. But then I'm also, of course, going to make sure that I show y'all how to group them so you can control both of them at the exact same time. After adding them both, on the bottom, I'm going to click the second little thing that looks like a circle with the thing spinning around it. And then I click the squares on the top right, and then I click group. From here, I click create. After clicking create, I added the first outdoor wall light. And then what I'm going to do there is then add another one. I normally change this to Wi-Fi connection right here because it's a little bit easier to control in my opinion. So I just got the first one connected. Now I'm going to add the second outdoor wall light. And there we go right there. Now I can officially control both at the exact same time. So we have our color, scene, illumination, music, share space, DIY, and you should be able to change both of these to the exact same looking colors and scenes at the exact same time. So here's colors. Here, right here, you can actually control 3 different sections of this light, which is really awesome. Lots of customization. This is the scenes. These are the preset color modes that most people select on Govee lights. A lot of cool looking scenes on here. I'll show off some more of these later. Of course, you have some for holidays and different things like that, but these are the different kind of categories, you can say. But for me personally, I'm going to go to illumination. This is probably what I'm going to use the most. This is where your warms, your cools, and your neutral colors. You have music mode, where it does capture music from your phone, so that is nice. And then if you go over to share space right here, you can see different light effects that other people have made. You can actually save these to your device. Something super cool is my DIYs, which are ones that I have liked and saved that work with a lot of my Govee lights, work with these too. But I do notice they move a little bit quicker on this light device. Now, the only thing that's different is if I go to one individually, that is where I get the option for the AI mode. You can't use the AI mode whenever you are grouping. And now these did have updates, so that was really nice. But in AI mode, you simply type in an idea that you have, a sport team, something like that, and it'll create an AI color for you. Over here, we have our timers, our options, device safety. So you can set timers for these outside, which is really nice, but it does mean you always have to leave the light switch on. Guys, I'm just going to let y'all know it's extremely hard filming lights outside, especially whenever all the color is concentrated in such a small device. So there may be times where the light doesn't look as bright, but I had to change the brightness in a lot of places so you could actually see the full coloring of the device. Because if I then turn it to where you can see how bright the item gets, you can't even see the colors in the device. So just know this does get very bright, but everything else around it is going to be extremely dark because I had to tinker stuff before filming these scenes. So the Govee Outdoor Wall Light is honestly pretty cool, and I'm so happy to finally get it outside on my front porch. It's bright, it looks great at nighttime. The holiday effects means that I can use this all year round. July 4th, St. Patrick's Day, 4th of July, Christmas, Easter, all the holidays are there just about. But honestly, for those times where it's not the holidays, the warm, cool, and neutral light is just what you need. I personally love warm, and I always try to leave all my lights on warm. Unless I'm feeling pretty pumped up, then that's when I'll try a lot more colors. But for the price, for the quality, and for what you get, guys, I honestly think it's worth it. Now, I will say, I'm pretty sure at CES 2026, I saw that there are some new ones coming out that are like curved on the front and that look super slick. I'm gonna try to get those beforehand, and I'll make a video just going over that, but then I can also do a comparison video versus these ones out here. But anyways, guys, this has been CopperCarver. I appreciate y'all coming by. Govee lights are really exciting. That's it for now. Please like, share, and subscribe.